Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send a trade on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Hover your mouse over your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Friends. This will take you to your Friends Management area where you can view your current friends list and make changes to your connections. Now, in the right panel of the Friends section, you'll notice an option that says Add a Friend. Click on this button to begin the process of adding someone new to your Steam friends list. This step is essential because you can only send trades to people who are already on your friends list, so you'll need to establish that connection first before initiating any trades. Next, you'll see a designated field where you need to enter the friend code. Go ahead and type in the code carefully to ensure you're adding the correct person. This code is unique to each Steam user and acts as their identifier on the platform. After entering the code, click the Send Invite button to submit your friend request. This will send a notification to the other person letting them know you'd like to connect with them on Steam. At this point, your friend will receive a notification about your friend request. Once they click Accept on their end, they'll immediately appear in your friends list. This might take a few moments depending on how quickly they respond to the request, so you may need to wait briefly before proceeding to the next step. Once your friend has accepted the request, hover your mouse over your username again in the upper left corner and select Friends from the drop-down menu. This will bring you back to your friends list where you can now see all your connections. Look through your friends list and click on the friend you just added. This will open up their profile page and give you access to various interaction options with this user. Finally, in the upper right corner of their profile page, you'll see a button labeled More. Click on it to reveal additional options for interacting with this friend. From the menu that appears, select Offer Trade. This will open the trading interface where you can select items from your inventory to offer to your friend in exchange for items from their inventory. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a trade request on Steam, and now you can exchange items with your friend directly through the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.